Hey Nyla, I'm going to show you how to get to your Odyssey folder. So I'm actually logged in as Jasmine just because I had her page pulled up. But yours will look the same. Of course, you'll go to courses, and then you're going to want to find our course page. And then, of course, you're going to go ahead and go to Odyssey. So go to Clever. This is actually where you have to go to Annuity. So let me get there for you. Then right here, Annuity Path Blazer. This is all through Clever. It's taking just a minute to load. Okay. So then this page will pop up. This will say Hi Nyla right here. This is your Odyssey folder right here. Click on the blue Odyssey folder. Then you have something in both of these folders, both language arts and math. So for language arts, when you click on it, and you're going to scroll down, let me see if I can move this page down. Today you need to do the Queen and the Crocodile. So you're going to click on this and do this one for reading. All it is, it's a fable that you're going to listen to. That's all you have to do with that. And then when you're done, if you click on Odyssey, it'll take you back to this page. Click on Math. And then you have Friday, January 8th. You have to do all three of these activities. So it's 2 lessons and then a quiz. So these are the 3 things. So that's all you have to do for Odyssey. Let me know if you still need help. Have a good weekend.